How to boot into or enable safe mode in Windows 11. Hey everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video I will show you step-by-step guide on how to boot into or enable safe mode on Windows 11. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So if your Windows is bootable, you can simply use your keyboard to boot into safe mode. So what you have to do is, all you have to do is press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard. Now, while holding it, you have to click on Start and Power and then go to Restart. So press and hold your Shift, click on Start. Here you have to click on your Power button and here click on Restart. After that, your PC will restart and will show the Choose an Option screen. Once you see that screen that says Choose an Option, you have to click on Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. After that, head towards the Startup Settings and then click on Restart. Now after restart, again you will find a list of options where you have options such as Safe Mode with Networking, or Safe Mode with Command Prompt. So from there you have to select one option. For the safe mode, you can either press 4 or F4. Similarly, for the safe mode with networking, you can press 5 or F5. And at last, if you want to save mode with command prompt, you have to press 6 or F6. So in that way, you can boot into or enable a safe mode in your Windows 11. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.